This is how to install and create a Bybit account on your mobile. So first of all, you want to open your Play Store and search for Bybit. So now we have the Bybit app. We're going to click on install. So now we have our Bybit app installed. We're going to open it. And on this page, we can create a Bybit account by clicking sign up. You're going to put in your email and the password you would like to create for your Bybit account. Now we have our email and we've also put in our password. We're going to click on sign up. Of course, you're going to have to put in a verification code, which is going to be sent to the same email address that you've used to create this account. The next thing you're going to do is to verify your identity. So you're going to click on verify now to follow the procedures. So we're going to do that. And now, after everything has been done, we now have our account. And now we can see everything that we have. For now, there is nothing here because we just created this account. So this is how to install and create a Bybit account on mobile.